See, in the last lecture, we have seen the basic concept of NFA to DFA, right? And we have solved the examples of NFA also. Now, we will go for the conversion of NFA to DFA, right? So, two solution is there for NFA to DFA. One is through the procedure, step-by-step procedures, fine, and the second one is the shortcut, fine. I will show you both the multiple solutions, but remember that to gain more marks, the stepwise solution it requires. Remember that, fine. So I will solve one examples related to the stepwise. The steps are same, which we have seen for the equivalence of DFA or for a combined DFA. Right? So we will start with the example. Convert. Just go through the steps how I have solved. Convert the given NFA. Converts the given NFA to DFA. Convert the given NFA to DFA. And so the NFA is nothing but by processing only one input, I can reach to a multiple states. So from Q2, by processing 0 and 1, I reach to Q0. By processing 0, I reach to Q2. Next one, Q1 state. 0, 1, 1. Okay, so this will be NFA. Why? Because in Q2 state, if you go through, by processing a 0, I can reach to Q0 state, as well as I can reach to Q1 state. Same as in the Q1 state, by processing 1, I can reach to Q0 state and Q2 state. And for Q0, for 1, it may reach to dead state, or I haven't processed the 1, but by processing 0, it reached to Q2 state, fine. So the same step, I will just go through how the steps are there, fine. And the theoretical part in the last lecture, we have seen what are the steps to convert from the NFA to the DFA, fine. So what the first step it says, step number 1, fine, same steps, nothing different. Step number 1, the starting state, you are going to check a starting state, and that state you are going to select and you are going to expand it. So the state that is Q0 is the first subset. So you are going to start it from the initial state. So have you gone through the diagrams? Diagram draw करून घेतले का third year student? Oh, now we will move forward. Fine. What it say? Transition of in a Q0 state when I process 0. In which state basically it reach? So in Q0, when I process 0, it reach to a state that is to a Q2 state. And same as the transition of Q0, when I process 1, it reach to a dead state. Why? Because the one input, it is not been processed in a Q0 state. Right? So which from the step 1, we are going to check which new subsets are generated. So here only one new subset, that is Q2. This state is generated. So in step number 2, we are going to expand a state that is Q2. So the new subset Q2 is generated for expansion. Right? The same inputs you are going to process into a Q2 state. So what I'm going to define, transition dash Q2, in that I'm going to process 0. So in Q2 state, I already said that by processing a 0, it reached to a multiple state, that is to a Q0 state as well as to a Q1 state. So here it reach to a Q0 as well as to a Q1 state. Same as in Q2 state, you are going to process 1, and by processing 1, it reach to a Q2 state. By processing 1, sorry, it reached to Q0 state. By processing 1, it reached to Q0 state. Just go through. Q2 0, I'm going to reach to Q0 and Q1 state, and Q2 1, I reach to Q0 state. And so now the new subset which is generated is a Q0 and Q1. This is the new subset which is generated, right? So now process it. तो अभी next state क्या आएगा आपका? Just go through it. Step number 3. Q0 state, we have already processed it, बरोबर? So no, we are not going to consider this for the next step. Q0 and the Q1, this one is a new subset which is generated in the step number 2. So the new subset Q0 and Q1 is generated. So expand this state by processing the input. So what I am going to define, transition dash, Q0, Q1, I am going to process a 0 in both the states. So the transition of Q0, I am going to process 0, union the transition of next state is the Q1, and in that Q1, I am going to process 0. And just go through by processing a 0 in Q0 state, it reached to a Q2 state, union, it does not reach to any of the state by processing 0 in a Q1 state. So what will be the output? The output will be the Q2 state. Same as transition dash Q0, Q1, in that process 1. So what it say? Transition of Q0, I am going to process 1, union the transition of Q1, I am going to process 1. And just go through Q0 मध्ये जर मी 1 process केलं, so it reach to a dead state, but same as Q1 मध्ये जर मी 1 process केलं, it reach to multiple state, that is to a Q0 as well as a Q2 state. Right? So what will be the output? The output will be Q0 and Q2. So we have process 0 and 1 in a subset, that is Q0, Q1. So 2 subset it is generated, Q2 as well as Q0 and Q2. So Q2 it is already been processed, fine. So this one is already been processed, so you are not going to expand this in a next step. So the next step, you are going to consider the new subset, that is Q0 and Q2. So here in the step number 4, parallelly you also do it, third year student. In step number 4, the new subset, that is Q0 and Q2, is generated. And now you are going to expand this. What it say? Transition dash in Q0 and Q2, you are going to process 0. So check it. Transition Q0, I am going to process 0, union transition Q2, I am going to process 0. So check in which state basically it goes. Q0 0, it reached to a state that is to a Q2 state union, and Q2 0, it reached to Q0 and Q1. Just go through this step, fine. Here, now we are going to form a union, and here the three states, it will going to merge, that is Q0, Q1, Q2. This will be a new subset with a states 3. Are you getting third year student? Fine. Now just go for the processing of 1 in Q0 and Q2. So what will be the output? Who is going to tell me? When I process 1 in Q0 and Q2, what will be the output?
Q0, sir. Q0.
Yeah, 23 students, it's enough, bro. चलिए टाले त्यांना. ठीक आहे. Q0, Q2 मध्ये जर मी 1 प्रोसेस केलं, it reaches to a Q0 state. Good, fine. Next, in this state, check which state is newly generated from Q0. Definitely, it is already been processed, fine. And the next, that is new subset, is all about a 3 state, that is Q0, Q1, Q2. So in a step number 5, you are going to go for a new subset that is Q0, Q1, and Q2. Same process. 0 on all these 3 states, Q0, Q1, Q2. I'm going to process 0. Fine. So here there will be transition in Q0. I'm going to process 0 union, transition of Q1. I'm going to process 1 union, transition of Q2. I'm going to process 0. Sorry, here it will not be a 1. Here it will be a 0. Transition of Q1. We are going to process, sorry. Zero. Fine. So just go through what will be the output for all these state. Fine. So for all these state, the output will be again the same, that is Q0, Q1, and Q2. Lastly, you are going to merge it. This will be the output. Same as when I go for a Q0, Q1, Q2, 1. So here, transition of Q0, Q1, and Q2, I'm going to process 1. So what will be the final output? The final output will be Q0 and Q2. Just check it whether the new subset it is generated. Q2, it is already been processed. Fine. If you go through the step number 2, this state is already been processed. Fine. What about the state? Sorry, this not. How Q0, Q1, Q2 is already processed, so we are not going to process further. Fine. What about Q0 and Q2? Q0 and Q2 is also a state which is processed in a previous state. That is a step number 4. So this will not be again a new subset. So here we will finish with our transitions. Fine. For the conversion from NFA to DFA. Now we draw a transition diagrams. So the first state, we have started with the initial state, that is a Q0, and in Q0, when I process 0, I got a new state, that is to a Q2 state, and in Q2, when I process 0 and 1, I got a state, that is Q0 and Q1. So Q0 and Q1, this will be a new state. Next state in Q0, Q1, the new state, that is Q0, Q2. this state is generated q0 q2, and the last one, the state that is the combination of q0 q1 and q2. This is the state which is generated. So in the step wise, just check by processing 0 and 1 where it reaches to. So by processing 1 here, it reached to a dead state, right? By processing 0, it reached to a q2 state. In q2 state, by processing 0, it reached to q0 q1, and in q0 q1, by processing 0, it reached to q2 state. q2 state, by processing 1, it reached to a q0 state. Same as q0 q2, when I process 1, it reached to q0 state. In this state, when I process 1, it reached to q0 q2. Same as q0 q1 q2, when I process 0, it remain into the same state. When I process 1, it reaches to q0 q2, and lastly in q0 q2, by processing 0, I reach to q0 q1 and q2 state. Is that clear? आता मला सांगा की फायनल स्टेट्स कुठले कुठले येतील. हे फायनल स्टेट्स आपण बघितलेले, तर कुठले कुठले येतील? थर्ड इयर स्टुडंट, कुठले कुठले स्टेट्स हे फायनल स्टेट्स येतील सांगा मला. हू इज गोइंग टू टेल मी? या प्रितेश कपारे, यू टेल मी. प्रितेश, या मानसी जगताप. Q2, fine. Next again. Again, you tell me in which state basically it comes. Q2, बरोबर. और कौन से state आएंगे? Final state. Why? Because Q2 is it's a main, बरोबर. तो main state आहे final state. So we have defined it. Now tell me which states again it will be a final state. Yeah, who is going to tell? Ghosh, you tell me. Subodhya Ghosh. Yeah, Siddhi Shitole.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, कौन से states final आएंगे बताना मुझे. Which state basically the final state in the transition diagram?
Sir, Q2 state.
Huh? Next.
And Q0.
Q0 state will be the final state.
Is the initial Q1, Q0, then Q1.
See, you first of all tell me your presence of mind, where it is. It is in the lecture or somewhere else?
No, sir, I am in the lecture. My network just keeps fluctuating a lot.
Then Q0, it's the initial state. Now, how it will be a final state? Oh yeah, have you solved the example? You first of all tell me. It may be definitely the network may be fluctuating, but you the first start of the lecture I have given the problem statement. Have you?
Yes, sir, I've noted the problem statement. I'm also solving it.
Yeah, who is going to tell next? Sneha Zambre.
Yes, sir. The subsets containing Q2.
Yes. So which subset it is containing Q2?
First one is a Q2. Then the second one is Q0 Q2.
Yes.
And third one is Q0 Q1 and Q2.
Yes. So this will be a final state. तर जे सबसेट्स Q2 ला येतील ते सगळे स्टेट्स तुमचे फायनल स्टेट असतील. इज दॅट क्लिअर? फाईन. So the steps are important while going to conversion from NFA to DFA. Remember that, fine. So next, again, I will solve one more example for NFA to DFA, but with the shortcut method, fine. तर हे स्टेप्स इम्पॉर्टंट आहेत, लक्षात घ्या. एक्झाम मध्ये स्टेप्स इम्पॉर्टंट आहेत, फाइन, नॉट द सोल्युशन. सो राइट इट डाउन. द सेकंड एग्जांपल, कन्वर्ट NFA to DFA. It might be possible, fine, while conversion, they can give a transition table or a transition diagram. See, it will be a final state. So by processing A, I reach to A, B, C, A, B dash A comma T. So how the transition diagram it looks like, fine. So the initial state is your A. By processing just only A, I reach to a state A as well as I reach to a state that is to a B. This will be a NFA, right? Same as in a state B, when I process A, it reach to a state again to A, and when I process B, it remain into a same state. Next one is about a C. C, it's a final state. By processing B, it reaches to a state that is to B as well as to a state that is A. Okay. And next one again, by processing B in the state A, it reaches to a state that is to a C. जे transition diagram जे आहे, it's completely depend upon the transition table, fine. So these both transition table as well as the transition diagram, it is related to the NFA, right? So now we will convert it into a DFA, fine. Simple आहे, इथंच दाखवतो मी. So start it with the initial state, right? So I'm going to start it with the initial state. Which state is the initial state and the input? You are going to process the input A and B. So which state is the initial state? The initial state is the A. Fine. Just check into the NFA table by processing A, by processing a small a in a state A, where it reaches to both, that is A state as well as a B state. So what I will do finally, I am going to combine it. So by processing A, I reach to a state that is to AB. So this will be a new subset. Are you getting? Transition मध्ये आपण ज्या टाइमला states मध्ये A process करतो, so it will go through a state that is AB. Fine. Next, in state A, check for B. So when I process B, it reaches to a state that is C. So I will going to define separately that is C. So in step number 1, I have got a new subset that is AB as well as the C also. Right? So I will expand first, that is AB. A, B. So now tell me the output. आता AB हे दोन्ही states मध्ये तुम्ही process करणार आहे A. What will be the output? काय output येईल सांगा मला, third year student? By just seeing the NFA table. AB. Yes, fine. Just go through A and B. Fine. In A, when I process A, it reaches to AB, and in B also, just go through. When I process A, it reaches to A. Fine. So this will be a combined state that is AB. तर AB मध्ये A process केल्यानंतर it remains into the same state. What about the B? So in A, just go for B. Here in NFA, fine. In state A, I am going to process B. It reaches to a state that is C, and same as here in state B, by processing a small b, it reaches to a state that is B. So these are two separate states where basically it reaches by processing B. So what will be the output? काय output येईल सांगा मला? AB या स्टेट मध्ये B प्रोसेस केल्यानंतर what will be the output?
CB.
Yes, it will be a CB, but sequence मध्ये लावा, it is a BC. Fine. So here we have got a subset, बरोबर, that is BC as well as C. C is also remaining. Fine. So now we will expand a state that is C state. Fine. हा complete झालेला आहे स्टेप नंबर 1 मधला आणि स्टेप नंबर 1 मधला C राहिलेला आहे. Now go for C. In state C, when I process A, it reaches to which? Where? It reaches to where? काय येईल सांगा मला? Yeah, third year student, fastly. Tell me, dead state, fine. It will be a dead state. And what about by processing B in state C? AB. It will be a AB, fine. So in step number 1, we have processed A, B, and C also. Fine. In step number 2, we have got AB and BC. So this will be already processed. What about the BC? Fine. This will be a new state, that is BC. So tell me the answer. In a state BC, when I process A, तर B मध्ये A process करायचं आहे, C मध्ये A process करायचं आहे. In which state basically I reach, and what will be the output? Tell me. In BC state, I am going to process A. काय येईल सांग मला? Just only A. Fine. This will be again a separate. Fine. A. And in BC state, when I process B, what will be the output? In BC state, when I process B, it reaches to again the state that is AB. So this all new subset, it has been processed. Fine. So finally, we have got a DFA. This will be the initial state. In NFA, what is a final state? The final state is C. So in a DFA, you are going to check the subset. Fine. So यहाँ पे C आएगा. C, it is there with B also. So this will be also a final state. Fine. And now draw a DFA. So simply how many state we have got in a DFA? We have got A. We have got AB. Next one BC. And last one is the C state, and this will be final state. Process fine. In state A, when I process A, it reaches to AB. In AB, when I process A, it remain into a same state. For B, it reaches to a state that is BC. And in BC, when I process B, it reaches to state that is AB. In BC, when I process A, it reaches to a state that is A. In C, when I process B, it reaches to AB. In A, when I process B, it goes to state that is C. And finally, when I process A in C, it reaches to a dead state. Is that clear? So here the final state, it will be a C as well as a BC. The simple आहेत बरोबर shortcut method. By just seeing the table or just by seeing a transition diagram of a NFA, you can easily convert it into a DFA without going for the steps. Remember that. But here again same आहे की marks reduce होतील. Fine. जे 8 to 10 marks एक question carry करतो ते hardly 1 to 2 marks तुम्हाला gain होतील बरोबर. So या bit मध्ये कुणाला काय problem आहे? The conversion from NFA to DFA with the steps as well as a shortcut method. कुणाला काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे थर्ड इयर स्टुडंट? नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, एक एक्झाम्पल मी तुम्हाला घरी करायला देतो आणि नेक्स्ट लेक्चर मध्ये आपण NFA इप्सिलॉन या बिटला स्टार्ट करूया. फाइन. सो जस्ट राइट इट डाउन. वन मोर प्रॉब्लेम, सॉल्व इट बाय युअर ओन. लास्ट एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व केलते का रे तुम्ही कंबाईनचे? मी दिलेले होते थर्ड इयर स्टुडंट. हॅव यू सॉल्व? सॉल्व करा बरं का जे मी एक्झाम्पल्स देतो. फॉर द क्वेश्चन may have a transition table, transition diagram, or a language also. Fine. So here with the help of language, first you are going to draw a NFA and then you are going to convert it into NFA to the DFA. Fine. So construct, this will be a task for you. Construct a NFA and its equivalent and its equivalent DFA for accepting a language define over the input, that is 0 1, such that each string, this one is the example we have seen it, bro, such that each string has two consecutive zero followed by 1. हे आपण NFA ड्रॉ केलेले बरोबर आहे. 2 consecutive zeros followed by 1. एकच 1 बरोबर आहे ना. NFA मध्ये आपण एक एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह केलं तर डबल 0 और कॉन्झिक्युटिव्ह झिरोज फॉलोड बाय डबल 1 हे आपण एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह केलेलं. पण यामध्ये केअरफुली चेक करा की त्यामध्ये काय केलेलं आहे. ईच स्ट्रिंग हॅज 2 कॉन्झिक्युटिव्ह झिरोज फॉलोड बाय 1 मीन्स आफ्टर 2 0 देर विल बी ओनली 1. त्यामध्ये 2 1s नाही पाहिजे. So what will be the solution here? With the help of language, you are going to first convert it into NFA, and then from NFA you are going to convert it into a DFA. तर हे घरी solve करा. In the next lecture we will go for epsilon NFA. Yeah, today only 20 students are there. Yeah, tell me the present number.
So roll number 2.
Tell me the present number. Fine. Roll number 2. Next.
4.
Roll number 6.
31.
Next.
27.
One by one. नहीं, one by one. कौन है? 14. Ashwin Khairnar, you are
Yeah, 40.
14, 17. Next.
26.
26. Next.
29.
29.
28. 36.
28.
36.
46. 43. Next.
67.
72.
67. 72. Next.
70.
60.
60. 70. Next.
81.
10.
Yes.
Sir, 32.
32.
81, sir.
81. Next. Yeah.
Sir, 63.
कुणाचा नंबर आहे 63?
Sir, Siddhi Shitore.
63. Next. Yeah, I will just repeat. Fine. The present number are 2, 4, 6, 31, 14, 17, 26, 29, 28, 46, 43, 67, 72, 60, 70, 10, 32, 81, 8, 63. Anyone who is remaining?
Sir, 40 40 बोलले थे.
40 बोललो होता का?
हाँ सर 40.
तर मी कुठलं लिहिलं? 43 लिहिलेलं आहे का?
नाही सर 14 लिहिलं वाटतं.
14. 14 च्या ठिकाणी 43. 14. एनीवन हु हैविंग नंबर 14? 14 किसी का है क्या? चलो तुझा नंबर काय होता? 40 होता ना?
हो सर 40.
40. ओके फाईन.
सर
हाँ,
सर
बोल.
रोल नंबर 36.
रोल नंबर 36. हा लिहिलेलं आहे ना मी.
ओके सर. थँक्यू सर.
चालेल. आणखीन कोणी काय आहेत? नसेल तर बाकीच्यांना पण कन्वे करा बरं का, की लेट नाही व्हायला पाहिजे. जर लेट होत असेल तर मी काय एंट्री घेणार नाही.